Welcome back everybody, Automotive Inc. Today I'm going to show you a cheap way to protect your door sills. As you can see, this is a brand new truck. Let's take a look at it. So I'm going to separate video on this. So when I got this truck, I already had a scratch in this chrome piece. So I've already put a piece of clear bra on this right away, but I'm going to do the other side. Now the passenger seat does not have these chrome bars. They get beat up. You can see this plastic right here. It's already getting beat up. I wish there was a better way to really protect it or whatever, and I don't care if the clear bra kind of peels up right there in the corners. I want to protect this piece. But another piece that a lot of people don't pay attention to is this. Look at this. I don't even drag my feet there. So this would have happened probably in transit or whatever. Nobody else has even driven the truck. So I'm going to link these down below. These, I put them on every freaking truck. They last forever. You can put them on winter, but it's going to take a little bit more work to get them to adhere. So it's all about surface prep. But basically, this is going to cover this area where it gets beat up. So we're just going to wipe these clean. These are less than 20 bucks. You can get them for Ford, Chevy, Ram, whatever. And I like these because they're blue. They're just kind of like a little flashier. But I don't even care really if they have any pizzazz, because I just want to protect this. And like I said, I don't know what Chevy makes their black plastic out of, but it is the easiest to scratch in the industry, it seems like. But we're going to at least protect that, and we're going to protect this because this is paint. This will rust. This you can buy again and replace it if you wanted to. So let's just prep this and I'll show you what this looks like. So I like to prep this area or clean it with, this is how I clean windows and everything, guys, is alcohol H2O mix. You can go 50-50, you can go heavier if you want. It dissipates quick, it cuts grease, you can clean your windows with it, I don't really care. Buy a cheap blaster there from the Wally World and get it cleaned in, because if you use something else like Windex or something, it may not cut the grease and it may leave a film behind. Now this set comes in a set of 4, so you have all 4 doors, and we're just going to line it up and we'll affix it to the top first and then roll it down. Now if you think you want to clear bra this stuff, you can. I will link some 4-inch. And if you don't like these, I will link clear bra. It'd be the same concept. You'll cut a strip, and then you're going to have to work it down over these grooves. So you'll probably want to taper it down because a perfect square will probably be rough because this edge is going up. So there it is, guys. I laid it down. Took like all of 30 seconds to prep it, clean it. You get several different colors: white, blue, red, black. You can get it just in this carbon fiber looking stuff. And like I said, I've had these on my trucks for at least a couple years, and they didn't even look beat up compared to the scratches in the door. And over the few days after you install them, you can just keep pushing it down, especially as it gets hotter. The glue will adhere to it better. It's not permanent, so as these get beat up, you can just move them. I like to shove them completely up underneath the rubber here, and then just build it down. So if you want the Silverado to be higher, you can do whatever, light your candle. But at the end of the day, it comes with shorter ones for the back seat where the kiddos are climbing in and out, or people. And it's just a good way to protect that paint because, again, you can replace plastic. It's hard if that gets scratched down enough. It looks bad, and it can start rusting if you get down all the way to the bare metal. And people that get in and out 100,000 times, it's probably going to happen. So that is a $20 or less tip or trick. And I will link some clear bra if you want to do this clear bra and not this. If you don't want to see anything, it's well worth it. Same thing, clean it up, adhere it to it, do all 4 doors, and you're golden. And then, like I said, as always, guys, I appreciate you guys being here. Make sure you smash the subscribe button for me. Click the links below, take over to the Zahn and check those things out, and we'll catch you on the next one.